An airplane accelerates down a runway at 3.20 meters per second squared for 32.8 seconds until it finally lifts off the ground. Determine the distance traveled before takeoff. Applying the formula D equal half AT squared plus VIT, given A we substitute, given delta T we substitute, VI is 0 is also given here, 0 meter per second. So half 3.2 times 32.8 squared on the calculator, 32.8 squared, the answer times 3.2 times half, so it's 1721 meter. A car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly over a time of 5.21 seconds for a distance of 110 meters. And then you have to determine the acceleration of the car. If it's accelerating uniformly, this means that A is constant, and we can apply this formula D equal half AT squared plus VIT. So starts from rest means initial speed is 0 meter per second. This is the time, this is the distance. D equal half AT squared plus VIT. 110 equals half A times 5.21 squared plus 0 into something. So this whole term cancels, becomes 0, is null. So we have 110 equal half A. 5.21 squared on the calculator is 27.14. So now on the right side of this equation, we have 27.14 A over 2. So we're looking for A, we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the coefficient of A, so by 2 over 27.14 both sides. Then we obtain 2 times 110 over 27.14 equals 8.1 meter per second squared. V is equal to 80 plus VI. Some of the students asked me, and can we calculate the speed at this instant? I said yes. After obtaining A, we can apply this formula, so and substitute for A and T and the initial speed. So A is 8.1, T is 5.1 seconds, 21 seconds, plus the initial speed is 0, so it's 42.2 meter per second. So at the time of after 5.21 seconds, the car will be moving at speed of 42.2 meter per second. Now a race car accelerates uniformly from 18.5 meter per second to 46.1 meter per second in 2.47 seconds. Determine the acceleration of the car and the distance traveled. So apply the formula. A average is delta V over delta T, V final minus V initial over delta T, 46.1 meter per second minus 18.5 meter per second over 2.47. It's 27.6 meter per second over 2.47, so A is 11.17 meter per second squared. Now then determine the distance traveled. D is equal to half AT squared plus VIT. So half into 11.17 into 2.47 squared plus 18.5, the initial speed, into 2.47. So 34 plus 45.6 is 79.6 meter.